Introducing Marvel's PA460HD Horizontal Post Style Bandsaw. The operator's control panel is conveniently located on the left side of the machine and offers full control of all machine functions required for both manual and automatic operation. The touchscreen control allows for the user to program up to 9 different jobs, including settings for number of cuts and cut length. A standalone operator control console is also available as an option. The saw features full-stroking hydraulic machine and bar feed vices. The split jaws of the machine vise hold material on both sides of the blade, minimizing burrs and vibration and extending blade life. This also allows the operator to reduce remnant lengths to as little as 3 inches. By using the vise inserts, the operator can prevent these remnants from falling into the saw. In addition, the bar feed vise jaws float hydraulically to accommodate crooked stock, assuring straight cuts and accurate indexing. The PA460HD has a maximum cutting capacity of 20 by 18-inch rectangular stock or 18-inch round stock. It possesses a 1.5-inch blade that has an infinitely variable speed range from 70 to 330 surface feet per minute. This broad range allows for the optimum cutting of several different types of material. The feed rate and feed pressure of the hydraulic downfeed can also be controlled for optimum cutting of all materials. The saw's rigid post-style design and vibration dampening system ensure accurate cutting and minimize vibration as the saw blade enters the cut. This helps to reduce the noise level while cutting and increase blade life. Other standard features to maintain efficiency and blade life include the saw's automatic chip removal system, variable speed chip brush, and 21-gallon coolant system with multiple coolant nozzles. The saw maintains many features that make blade changes quick and simple as well. The Marvel PA460HD